So generally, I think that there is sort of an assumption that goes along with vintage hairstyles that they take a very long time. And more often than not, that is not the case. So I wanted to show you guys some really quick vintage hairstyles that you can do without curling your hair. Because as a wise, outdated meme said, ain't nobody got time for that. So these are some of my go-to hairstyles that I do when my hair hasn't been curled and I am running out the door and just need to do something cute, really quick. A lot of these do help when it is on dirtier hair that has not been freshly washed, maybe day 2 or day 3 hair. It helps a lot when you're trying to get volume and your hair isn't too smooth. So, without further ado, let's get into the hairstyles.
Come along quickly, do. I am waiting here for you. Hello, hello, wherever have you been? I've got a ring that you can't ring. Oh, hello, Susie Green. Joe held the phone for a half an hour and talked till he was blue. He didn't stop to hear a word from his little sweetheart Sue. Said he, oh Susie darling, say that soon you will be mine. A man's rough voice replied, you silly coon, get off the line. The number's wrong, he loudly swore. Jones rang again and cried once. Come along, quickly do. I am waiting here for you. Hello, hello, wherever have you been? I've got a little ring here that you cannot ring. Oh, hello, Susie Green. Hold the line, please. Hello, 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 Susie Green. Come along, quickly, do. I am waiting here for you. Hello, 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 wherever have you been? I've got a little ring here that you can't ring. Oh, hello, Susie Green.
And that is it. I hope that this was at least a little bit helpful for you guys. I just think it's good to know that you don't need to curl your hair to have a vintage style, because I know a lot of hair types don't really work with curling methods. Hopefully you can try one or two of these out, and if you do, make sure you tag me on social media because I would love to see. Anyways, I love you all, whether you're new or old to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! We were trying to teach him how to howl this morning, and it did not go very well.
Speak. Oh, no, down.
Huh.
No!
No! These are the worst buttons in the whole entire world! I mean, seriously, ready? Look at these buttons. They look like... Well, I'm gonna be honest with you, they look like little poops. What should we do for the buttons? Oh, I know. Let's do little white poops. No. So I think this... I hope that these were... No. Skadoo-ba-doo, shadoo-ba-doo-ba-day. Oh, life could be a dream, shadoo-ba-doo. Oh!